If you are wondering if we have macro mode on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then the answer is yes. We do have a dedicated macro mode, and it is called Super Macro. And unfortunately, you have to keep quite a bit of a distance between the subject and the camera in order to take a somewhat decent macro photo. And honestly, I don't really like that mode. I just don't think it looks that great. I mean, the photos don't look that great. So I prefer to have the Super Macro mode deactivated, and then while using the photo mode, we can just keep the distance a little bit between the subject and the photo, and then you can use zoom. And then you should be able to still take a pretty decent macro photo. You might want to adjust, of course, the distance to make sure that the image is actually quite sharp. And then you should be able to take a decent photo. Sometimes it looks pretty okay, and sometimes, unfortunately, it still doesn't look that great. But I believe this is due to one setting, which we can find in AA recommendations, and it should be the extended depth of field, I think. Although it might be one more, let me try to find it. It might be also scene recommendations, and I think that's all. So you can of course try to do that. You can try to turn them off, and you can try to simply, there we go. Now I think it looks slightly better. So we should be able to take a pretty good macro photo, even without the super macro mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.